White is a pure and innocent colour which signifies light and cleanliness. It's a colour worn by a bride to depict purity, and it's a colour worn by doctors and nurses to portray sterility. The same is true for laboratories. It's seen as a colour of goodness, sincerity and humility, and radiates softness, heaven and perfection. It's a colour of angelic religious figures, and it's seen as a very positive colour, though too much white can cause visual overstimulation and lead to headaches. White is a colour that can complement literally every other colour, so its versatility champions above all other colours. Brown is a neutral earthly colour. It's a colour of soil and signifies foundation, fertility and growth. It communicates stability, honesty and warmth. Brown communicates the autumn and forthcoming closeness of winter. Males tend to favour the colour brown, and as such, it's seen as the colour of many types of men's clothing. It's a colour of woods, stone and leather, and depicts a feel of luxury in many applications.